Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to pair now? Don't waste time on background details. First, make sure the case is charged and both AirPods are seated. On your Android, open Settings and turn on Bluetooth so the device can scan. Open the case and press the small button on the back until the LED flashes white. This forces pairing mode. Once done, the AirPods will appear in the Bluetooth list. Select them. You're past the initial hurdle and ready for configuration. Once connected, you need to optimize functionality. Tap the AirPods entry in Bluetooth and confirm they show as connected for media and call audio. This ensures both streams work. Install a lightweight app like Air Battery or Power Fit so you can see battery levels and customize press and hold gestures. Android lacks Apple's native controls. Make sure the Bluetooth profile includes both phone and media. This prevents call audio from defaulting to the phone speaker. Now they behave more like native headphones. You're almost done. Test playback, the microphone during a call, and gesture controls so you know what to expect. If something misbehaves, perform a full reset. Put buds in case, open lid, hold the back button about 15 seconds until amber then white flashes. This clears previous pairings. Once reset, forget the device in Android Bluetooth and repair. If problems persist, restart your phone's Bluetooth or reboot the phone. That resolves most connection conflicts and restores reliable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.